Drive by the Con Agra Plaza in the Omaha Old Market area and you'll see this giant blue barrel Christmas tree. Well, the people of MCL Construction built this for the Shine the Light on Hunger campaign. This year, Con Agra Foods has a goal of donating 1 million meals to the food bank of the Heartland. Now, Christmas Day has passed, but it is still the giving season. You can donate to the Shine the Light on Hunger campaign through December 31st. How much can you help? Well, a $1 donation will provide 3 meals to hungry families in the area. Just go online to shinethelightonhunger.org or drop in a non-perishable food item whenever you see the blue barrels.